All right, next in this method, I'm going to talk about the age displayed method, right? So age displayed method is like a Boolean method, right? It actually returns true or false if the given the value is displayed on the web page or not, right? So based on that, it is going to display the value, right? So uh, in this scenario, like what we are doing is like you can see in the first one, I'm using the same facebook.com website and some of the web element as in the previous example. So what change I've done is like instead of get text, now I've changed to is display. So you can see like its return type is as boolean. So it checks like if this element displayed or not, right? So since it is a boolean return value, right? So I'll just set it as boolean. And if this element is displayed, right, if this element is displayed, then it is going to return as true. If it is not, then it will return as false. So let me modify this to like age displayed, right? So age displayed, since this is returning a boolean value, so I'm just to replace it with boolean, then login. Say let's login here, and just say it's displayed here. Just replace with this, right? And if I run this, right, so since it's displayed is like returning as a boolean value, so return type I have set it as boolean. So if the element that we are trying to hit is present on the web page and it is displayed, then in that scenario it is going to return as a true, right? And if it is not present, then it will return as false, right? So let me quickly run this. Let me format it and then I'll. All right, so let me quickly run this. So you can see all these three web elements are displayed on this web page and it is returning as true, right? So this is how we can get the status of any web element, whether it is displayed or not. And based on that, we can perform further validation and assertion, right? So that's all in this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.